Are you doing the real work or you are doing just the job? I repeat, are you doing the real work or you are doing just the job? The job and the real work is not the same, it's different. Although the job requires certain skills to perform a set of instruction. Basically, those are a kind of which can be easily replaced with an automation or any kind of things. And soon it is going to happen. Almost many part of the organization has been already automated. Now, why I say real work? Now, what is this real work basically? The work is basically that where you put your heart and your soul into that, and that is the real work. Your heart and soul where you employ, that becomes a real work. You create a real value not only for yourself but also for the company, and you are get paid. You get recognitions, you get a bright career, and so and so. Let me give you the example so that you can understand better. The work of lawyers, doctors, waiters, they have been able to find their real work into their professions. You can call them art, an artist. An artist basically put their heart and soul into their work, and that's why they produce exceptional quality of work, the result. Artist does not mean only those who paint. Artist can be anybody in any profession. A lawyer can be an artist, a doctor can be an artist, a waiter can be an artist, an engineer can be an artist, a salesman can be an artist, a CEO can be an artist. These people, they put their heart and soul into their work, and that's why they are not replaceable. They are indispensable. Nobody can replace them. A department or organization cannot run by them because they put their real heart and soul into that, and that's why we call them an artist. Is your work just a work, just a job, or a real work? How can you find it? Are you doing the job or you are doing a real work? Irrespective of any department, any profession, any field you are, if you are doing a kind of emotional labor, if you are putting your creativity into it, we will say a creativity or emotional labor. If you are putting your emotional labor or creativity into it, then you are an art. You are an artist. And if you are an artist in your job, in your work, then you are indispensable. Make sure you are able to put your heart and soul into it. Then you become indispensable. Now, let me tell you this thing, it's very important. People has been saying that they have been putting so much effort. But you must remember that there is no contest of your effort. There is no contest effort. But certainly there is contest for your art, for your result. Nobody cares actually, how much hard you have worked actually. But when you come up with the result, definitely everybody cares. And that's why you need to put your heart and soul into it. So, whatever profession, use your creativity. You can use your creativity anywhere to create a real value, real difference, not only for yourself, for the organization as well, so that you become indispensable. Emotional labor, creativity, this has to come in any professions. If you are a salesman, use your creativity. How can you make more better sales? How can you close a deal? If you are a lawyer, already you all are using your creativity. Doctors, engineers, everybody. Even the cog worker, manual labor. It's very difficult to become an artist in manual job actually, where only set of instruction is there, and they are very highly replaceable. So wherever you are working, try to put your creativity into it, your emotional labor into it, and create the real difference, and then you become the indispensable of that organization, indispensable employee of that organizations. I hope you are able to think about it and start employing in your work. This is Naresh Mahato signing off. Bye bye. Take care.